Hey everyone, I'm Chris McClutter, Dr. Junk Removal. Tanya is filming us for this video. We're going to show you how to put on a mattress bag on a mattress for junk removal. Now, you might be thinking why, because this is a moving material. The reason being is sometimes you're going to come across a mattress that isn't the cleanest. Maybe there's a lot of pee stains on it, blood stains, feces, whatever the case may be. It might not be enough to be a hazmat situation, but it doesn't mean you want to be touching it with your bare hands, rubbing it off on your clothes, or potentially touching your face with it. So if you can buy some mattress bags, you can get these from most moving supply stores, Walmart, you can buy them online on Amazon. They come in different qualities, choose your poison. They're pretty cheap, $5 to $12, and we charge them on our jobs. We charge them as a sanitation mattress bag, and we use it for when we have a mattress that we don't want to touch. Now, I'm pretty flexible about it. These pee stains, not a problem for me, but we've had some at the senior living facilities, for example, that complete opposite. So we just recorded a video about how to put on a mattress bag if you were moving it. Now we're going to show you how to do it for junk removal without ever having to touch the mattress itself until it is in the bag. And it's a fairly simple process. This is what the mattress bag looks like. This is the company I get it from. It's down in my area. They don't ship online, so don't try to look up Chris Loppy Moving Supplies. But it's basically a giant encased plastic bag. They come in different sizes. We just get the king so we don't have to worry about running out of a queen, and then we have a king here. So just get the one size fits all kind of situation. Basically going to encompass it in the bag and then tape it off on the edge, and we'll show you that whole process. So with the tape, I'm trying to reach across 6 inches or so on each side, pull the bag in kind of tight so there's not a lot of gaps. Now I'm going to do a band around the whole edge to catch all the tapes so they don't get caught on something and peel off just like that. And now you have a mattress that's all covered so you don't have to worry about touching with your bare skin. So, good luck. Just to show you guys an example, here's the mattress bag at Walmart. Now, this is a cheaper, thin mattress bag, and the only problem with that is that they break really easily when you go to grab them. But if you don't have a choice, Walmart, at least in Florida, $8.98.